Once in Excel, let's select the Data tab from the ribbon menu at the top. Then from the Get External Data area, open the From Other Sources list. In here, select the From OData Data Feed option. Then we can paste the OData feed URL into the link or file text box. Select Use this name and password from the radio button options under the Logon Credentials section. Enter your user credentials here. You can click Next when you're ready. Now, on the Select Tables dialog, put a check in the box for Process Instance. Then we can finish this out. We should now see a screen allowing us to select how we want to view the data. Select the Pivot Chart option here and click OK. The pivot chart we are going to configure will show a count for the status values for all process instances. For example, though, we may want to see just how many process instances have completed or how many are active. In the Pivot Chart Fields pane, expand the Process Instance node if it isn't already. Then drag the status property into the Legend box and the process name into the Sum box. So make a note here just so you know. The data on your pivot chart is coming directly from the Power Pivot table, which is receiving its data feed from K2. Your chart may look a little different depending on the number of processes you have running. In this particular case, there are 6 instances of one process running and they are all active. Let's check out the Power Pivot table while we're talking about it here. Click the Power Pivot tab for the ribbon toolbar, then select Manage. This table displays the granular workflow reporting data it is receiving from the K2 server.